Menteri Rangbah Ka Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ula Shah Jied Biang mentakasni kumu National President jangka National People's Party haka election seng kabalalong ha Constitutional Club of India ha New Delhi. Conrad Sangma ula Shah Jied Biang klem dadon bayale persya naka bentaka samoy trekam nadu snem arhajar arpusan hadu snem arhajar arpupra. Menteri Barim kekenhun Menteri baru Presiden Barim Jongka jala Arunachal Pradesh upak nga baji ula Shah Jied Biang kham tadon bayale persya kumu General Secretary Organization katba u Dr. Metap Ajitok Sangma ula Shah Jied Biang kham tadon bayale persya kumu National Treasurer. U Presiden Gajala Meghalaya ubak Presiden Tensong bat u Presiden Gajala Manipur ubak Joy Kumar Singh kila ajingmut bantung no ya u kumu National Working President haka party kila ajingmut ya u General Secretary Organization ubalami no nakakam u James ki Sangma kumu National Working President.
In mind the Honorable Prime Minister's desire to make this happen. Apart from the different challenges to make this a reality, the party has given a very simple explanation to this and a simple stand that we have expressed to the committee that was headed by the former president, Shri Govindji. We mentioned that as an idea and as a concept, in order to ensure that governance moves smoothly for 5 years, the idea and the concept is something that the National People's Party supports. But
be able to propagate better to the social media, as you know, is in these times is very important. Secondly, sir, I would also like to bring to your notice that most of us.
It is not necessary to conduct election by ballot, and the three. Request my colleague, Mr. Samuel.
And I thank you all for that. Today, many other points were mentioned by many of our leaders. I just want to react to